Hello and welcome to Frightfully Forgotten Brews, and today we're going to be featuring Danvers State I.S.A. Stands for Inmate Session Ale.
It's making me crazy.
Yeah, of course inspired by the movie Session 9. It's an ISA, so it is lower in the alcohol content, but still pretty hoppy. The recipe is 2.5 pounds of Munich Light malt and 6 pounds Pale Turo. The hops is 1 ounce of Mosaic at 30 minutes into the boil, and then half an ounce of Mosaic at the last 10 minutes, and then another half an ounce of Mosaic at turnoff. So it's almost kind of a smash in a way.
Right, yeah.
If it wasn't for that Munich malt. You can use kind of like any American ale yeast. I think I just used the Mangrove Jack's West Coast yeast.
Or the Cooper yeast.
Cooper! I've been really liking that Mangrove Jack yeast.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah. Wong Jack Man. It comes out to 4.12%, and it is 46 IBUs. You need to take a break from cleaning up some asbestos from Danvers State. Grab yourself a Danvers State I.S.A.
May only be 4%, but too many of these you need to be put in a cell, I think.